How to deactivate an Instagram account temporarily. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can deactivate our Instagram account temporarily. So without any ado, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can deactivate your Instagram account but temporarily, these are the steps you may follow in order to do so. First of all, launch your Instagram application and simply log in into your Instagram account. After that, on the home screen, you'll be finding your profile at the bottom right. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be finding your profile here. So in order to deactivate your Instagram account, head over to the menu bar at the top right. Just head over there and you'll be finding your different settings of your account here. So you're going to look up for the first option that says account center here. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding your profile here. So in order to deactivate your account, head over to the option called personal details. Under account settings below, you'll be finding under password and security, you'll be finding that option called personal details here. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding your contact info, date of birth, and the last option, which is account ownership and control, that allows you to deactivate your account. Just click on that option and you'll be finding this option called deactivation or deletion. Again, click on it and click on your Instagram profile. After that, you'll be finding two options here, either deactivating your account or deleting your account. Since we are deleting your account, which is already a temporary way to take a break from your Instagram, so you may just click on this first option that says deactivate your account, continue with the process. After that, you'll be taken to another page where for security reasons, you need to enter your password to continue. After entering your password, your account will be deactivated just like that. So therefore, you may follow the same process in order to deactivate your account as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.